This is the worst flooding in Chinese history. Between June 22nd to 25th, 2025, the Daliao River in Liaoning Province, China surged to 11,400 cubic meters per second, the highest water flow ever recorded in the region. Whole towns were submerged, including Rongzheng and Kongzheng. Over 80,000 people had to be evacuated, 50,000 of them from the two hardest-hit towns. Experts are calling this a once-in-50-year event due to its severity and scale. And the floodwaters are still moving downstream, threatening more cities and critical infrastructure like power plants and highways. China has declared a Level 1 emergency and deployed thousands of rescue workers to the area. But the environmental impact is already severe. Chemical runoff from the flooded areas is polluting the river and causing massive damage to the surrounding wetlands. And with more rain on the way, experts feared that the flooding could get even worse.